This lesson is on threading your sewing machine. I will show you using a Singer sewing machine model 7442. However, many of these steps are transferable to other types and models of sewing machines. This is part 3 of 3, threading your bobbin. In part 1, we wound our bobbin with thread. In part 2, we threaded our top thread, and now it's coming down through the eye of the needle. So the final step is threading our bobbin. Before we begin, make sure that your needle is in the highest position using the hand wheel on the right side of your sewing machine. You will notice this is a top-facing bobbin. Some machines have front-facing bobbins. So these steps are for top-facing bobbins. However, the basic principles can be transferred to a front-facing bobbin. Take the release button and move it to the right to remove the bobbin plate cover. Then take your bobbin and we're going to drop it down into the bobbin chamber. Now make sure that your thread is going in a counterclockwise direction, or else this will cause some trouble later on when you begin sewing. So drop that into the chamber and you will notice there are 2 slots. One here towards the bottom and one up to the left. So now take your thread, slide it through the first slot, bringing it up towards the left to the second slot. Now I like to hold the top thread with my left hand while putting my right hand on the hand wheel on the right side of the machine. Now you're going to move the needle down and then up, and the thread will catch the bobbin thread on the bottom. Then you pull the bobbin thread up with the top thread so that both threads are up on top. Now take your bobbin plate cover and put it back on. Now you've completed part 3, threading your bobbin, and now you are ready to begin sewing.